Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am sitting outside of Dollar Tree. I'm in the parking lot still, and it's a busy parking lot at that too. I didn't know it was gonna be this busy. But I just walked out, and of course I'm coming to share with you the items that I picked up. There was a few new things that I saw, so I grabbed them. But my purpose in going into Dollar Tree today, honestly, and I'm not making no excuses, was Pooh Bear's list. His teacher just gave this to all the parents this morning, and you know, it's like they're doing their gingerbread houses next week on Wednesday. So she needs some items from wherever, like, you know, gumdrops, marshmallows, candy canes, and stuff like that. So I was going in Dollar Tree to really see, that's my excuse, that I was going in there to go see what I can find, and I only found some mini candy canes. But besides that, I did pick up some other stuff, so I'm coming to share with you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to my channel, because I would really love for you guys to stick around. So I'm not going to run my mouth because I need to get done with this, because I'm going over to, I think I'm going to go to Goodwill next, or I might even go to the 99-cent store. I don't know. But I picked these up today. I want to give these a try. These are the Welch's Green Apple Crisp. And so the last time I got some Apple Crisp, they weren't Welch's, and I didn't really care for them. They were really, really sour. So I just picked those up to give them a try. I'm not picking up any more ornaments, but today I did pick up this one. I thought it was super cute. And it just says Happy Holidays. It is like wood. And I just thought this one would be really, really cute to have. So I grabbed that. Then I got Pooh Bear these sticker activity books. And I thought these would be real fun because, like I said before in a different video, you know, the kids will be on vacation. So finding stuff for them to do is, you know, I'm planning ahead. So these come with like a lot of little stickers and like for you to decorate the faces and stuff like that. So all the different faces, and this one is called Funny Face, and then this one is sticker by number. So I think he'll have fun with this, and you got all the cute little stickers in here. Even if you don't need the book and you just want all them stickers to use maybe in your planner or somewhere like that, you can cheat and buy those kid books like that and get the stickers for your planner. Then I got 2 sets of gift boxes, and they come with 3 of them in here. And I like this one with the car, and then the back one says, May your Christmas be merry and bright. And so I picked up that. I'm not sure what the third one says, but I did like this right here. And then this one I picked up, and it's just some plain boxes because I was thinking that it would be fun to let the kids personalize their own gift box, like whether you use whatever you want to use, paints, markers, crayons, stickers, or whatever. So I'm going to let Pooh Bear decorate a box for Daddy and Grandma and whoever else, maybe one for me. So that's why I picked up the plain boxes, and you do get 3 in there. Then I got some tissue paper because I thought these were super cute, and I love the little design on there with the lights and everything. And you get 10 sheets in here. Last year, and I was hoping that they bring them back, but last year they had the tissue paper with the little red trucks on them. So cute, super cute. I haven't seen them yet, but I did see these lights. So like I said, I got 2 packs of those. I'm flying through this video, huh, you guys? I ain't even pausing or nothing. Then the other Christmas items I got were, I saw these in the past, but I didn't pick them up, but I got 2 packs this time, and I really like these. I thought they were pretty when I first seen them, but I was fighting the urge to get them, and I really like these. And what you can't really see through the camera probably is in the background of the pictures, it looks like faux wood on all of them. So it's really, really kind of, I want to say kind of vintagey, but I don't know. I just thought these were really pretty. Some other stickers that I got, they were not Christmas related, was I picked up 2 packs of these, and these are super cute. This one says, you go girl, girl boss, you got this. And then the last one says, never lose your sparkle. And these would be really, really cute to put on stuff. I'm not sure. I figured when I picked them up, I was looking at the girl boss and the you go girl to put on, like when I wrap my packages for Poshmark, to put the stickers on there or whatever. So I picked those up. Then I got Pooh Bear this Ultimate Spider-Man holiday wish list little letter, so he can do like a little letter to Santa. And it's Spider-Man, or you know, Spider-Man, I was gonna say Marvel, but Spider-Man. And it comes with what does it come with? Some envelopes, some paper, some stickers that say rush delivery, and it says 6 letters, 6 envelopes, 1 sticker sheet. And yeah, so I only really need 1 set, but I got this for him so he can write his letter, or maybe I can do multiples and he can give a letter to everybody in the family, so everybody will have his wish list. So I picked that up. I didn't see one for girls, even though I know there is one. There has to be like a Disney princess one or something. So yeah. Then randomly I picked up this because just recently Pooh Bear has started putting puzzles together. And I had puzzles for him in the past, and we were helping him put them together. But he literally sat there and was putting his own 24, I think it was 25 pieces of puzzle together. So I picked up this because he loves Mickey and the Roast Erasers. And so I got this for him. That's something else for him to do. Let's move into this bag real quick. They had some new little containers or jars or whatever. Candle holder, but you know, we use these for everything. Makeup brushes, you can put anything you want to hear, Q-tips, cotton balls. And look at it. Oh, it's not really showing the pattern or the design, but it's really pretty. You see that? And they had these in all white, so I picked up only 1 of the all white. I did get 2 of the gold ones like this. Aren't those pretty? Look at that. Really, really pretty. Dollar Tree be showing out sometimes. The inside just looks like that. So I did pick up 2. Now they did have these in silver. The bottom was silver. Through the camera it looks like it's showing kind of silver, but it's not. It's gold. But they did have silver. They had the gold, and then they had the all white. So I only picked up 2 of the gold and 1 of the all white. Next, the big old truck. It made some big old growling noises. It kind of startled me for a minute. Then I saw another cosmetic bag. I picked up in my last video, I picked up 3. I must have not have seen this one. I don't think I've seen this one. It says Girl Boss, so I went ahead and grabbed that. Now, this was the only one I saw of this ribbon, and I will be on the hunt for more of these. Look at this. Rose gold ribbons, and there's 2 of them on here, and listen, can you hear that? They are really, really nice. You guys, I'm telling you, this parking lot is busy. If you see me looking over, it's because the cars keep coming in and out. But I like that one. It's really nice, and it's really thick, but I like that when I seen it. It needs a little bit of work, but there's 2 of them on here, so I grabbed that. I am almost done. Then I grabbed some Hallmark expression cards. And these are solely for Poshmark. This one says, bless your heart for being so nice. I thought that was cute to say to somebody when they purchase something from you. Bless your heart. Thank you. Then I got these that just say thank you. And they're blue with the white little snowflakes. I just thought those were pretty. Then these that say Merry Christmas. I thought those were really cute because I'm running out of cards. I go through my cards so fast, like the ones I got from the Target dollar spot. Those are pretty much gone. And you get 6 of them in here, so I got those. And last but not least, let me pick this up and show you guys the last 12 items that I picked up. And here we are. You guys, I picked up 12 bottles of the Martinelli's gold medal. Let me set these down now. But I picked up 12 bottles of them, so I pretty much wiped them out, and they're just the gold Martinelli's gold medal organic apple juice, and these are the glass jars. They do expire December 2020. I could not get that out. And the cool thing, and the reason why I picked up all 12 is because we love these. This is like the best apple juice ever to me. Oh my goodness. I swear, you guys, all 12 will probably be gone by tomorrow. My kids, me, we're gonna run through these, trust me. But usually when I go to like Costco or somewhere, I usually pick up, I think it's a 9-pack for like $12. So I got 12 for 12. So I saw those, and everybody at the registers kept saying, is there any more? Is there any more? I'm like, no, I'm sorry. I took them all. So I'll be on the lookout for more of those, because I know they usually get them in the little green bottles, like the sparkling, which is good too, but I just really like this right here, so I grabbed them. And that is, oh, these two. I got 2 packs of the mini candy canes for Pooh Bear's class, and that was it. So that's it, you guys. I did take some pictures. I will put them up right now. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here. Like I said, I'll probably go over to the 99-cent store. I might stop in Goodwill, I don't know. And then I'm gonna head home and get this video up for you guys. So thank you all for watching. Have a beautiful day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.